Welcome to Hero Guide, and today we will be guiding you with one of the most overrated hero, Benedetta. She is known for her outstanding mobility in-game. Her dash and damage allow her to wreck enemies like paper. Let's get into the video.
When the body suffers, the spirit blooms.
This is her attributes, and she belongs to Assassin class. In this video we will look at the passive, skills, spell, and build of Benedetta.
Am I a demon hunter or a justiciar? Ha! Neither. One day, the flowers will
Let's start from her basic attack.
Barren lands.
While attacking the enemy, minions, creeps, or turret, you'll charge Sword Intent. Releasing the basic attack button after the Sword Intent is fully charged, she will use Sword Out Slash in the direction she's facing and dash, dealing damage.
Every new
And
day
yes,
is worth
she can
celebrating
also
in
charge
this
her Sword
cursed
Intent
land.
by holding the basic attack button. Ability to use dash can also help you move through walls and even escape. Let's talk about her first skill,
Kings of the
Phantom
Manian
Slash.
Empire know
Withdrawing
nothing of
swiftly and
honesty.
leaving a shadow in front, and after a short delay, her shadow slashes forward. Meanwhile, she also dashes forward to slash, dealing damage, and if the target is hit by her shadow, damage caused by herself will increase. Now her second skill, an eye for an eye, which is also my favorite skill. She raises her weapon to defend, gain immunity, and blocking damage from any source, dashing forward while also dealing damage. We will talk about her second skill later, so let's get to her ultimate Electo, Final Blow. She clenches Electo and slashes forward, slowing all target in the path.
Let's dance with blades! Ones who live on the edge. Every dawn is a new beginning. Let's dance
Now
with
let's
blades!
get back to her second skill again. You
First
can use her
land.
second skill, Eye for an Eye, to gain immunity to crowd control.
To the ones who live on the edge.
Using her second skill will not only immune you, but also stun enemies if you dash toward the enemy.
Am I a demon?
Same goes with the enemy trying to airborne you.
Ha! Neither.
Her ability to dash comes pretty handy if you use it on time.
One day, the flower...
Let's see all highlights at once.
To the ones who live on... One day.
Now for the spells, there are two highly recommended spell in the game. If you are side laner, then Execute will be best spell to choose. Or you can go hyper-selecting Retribution, since Benedetta is good at farming as well. Assassin and Fighter emblem is highly recommended. For the Assassin emblem you can choose Agility, Invasion, and Killing Spree, which will give you movement speed, physical penetration, and while slaying an enemy you will gain certain amount of health and movement speed. And for Fighter you can simply choose Bravery, Invasion, and Festival of Blood, which will provide you with extra physical attack, penetration, and spell vamp. You can also choose jungle emblem, but I don't recommend it. For the build I have one sustainable and one burst. And this is the end of this guide. This video was only a guide for you to play Benedetta. You can always create your own build and your own emblem set. Keep practicing and we will see you in our next video.